Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a home decor haul. I haven't done one of these I feel like in a really long time, even though I've picked up a lot of new things recently. I have a ton of like room makeovers coming up very soon, so I needed to get a few pieces for that. I also felt like I was always shopping at the same stores, so I wanted to try something new, and everything I got was from Kohl's. I got some amazing stuff that I'm excited to share with you guys. So another thing that I'm excited to share with you guys is this really cool money-saving hack. So for today's video, I partnered up with Retail Me Not, and they actually have a new browser extension called the Retail Me Not Genie, which is how I saved so much money on this purchase. So essentially, if you are unsure what a browser extension is, think of the Retail Me Not Genie as a tool that's going to be running in the background whenever you're online shopping, and it is going to do its best to find you the best possible deal. Whether that's applying promo codes, different coupon codes, finding you ways to get cash back, it's going to be doing all that for you and saving you a lot of time as well as money. And another thing that this is also great for is sometimes when you're shopping at a store online and it says that it's the last item, I will not bother to even look for promo codes because I'm so worried that it's going to sell out. So with the Retail Me Not Genie, you don't have to worry about those things, and it is super awesome. It's also really great at combining the different offers, so it's just the ultimate money-saving hack if you are going to do any online shopping. So I will have it linked in the description box down below. It is good for a Google Chrome extension as well as Firefox. So again, the link is in the description box down below. I would highly recommend checking it out, especially if you fall in love with any of these items and you want to purchase them online. You can save yourself some extra money. So the first thing that I picked up was this pillow sham. I totally forgot that Lauren Conrad has a collection at Kohl's. Like, it totally slipped my mind. I absolutely love her. So she has even home decor now, which I was totally unaware of. So I just got a set of these shams and they look very vintage. They have the frills on them. They have little like X details on them. And I thought that these would just be great to add to my bedding and just add like a little slight subtle pop of color, because everything right now is stark white and I'm starting to like get over the whole all white bed trend. I needed to add something to it, so I picked two of those up. The next thing I picked up is just this little jar container. I'm going to be using it as a flower vase. I realized that all of my vases are just like clear glass. I didn't have anything really original or rustic, and I thought that this was perfect for the upcoming like summer season, just to spice up my place. Adding some fresh flowers will add like a pop of color. I don't know what it is, but lately I've been like totally into butterflies. It's like the most random thing. So when I saw this, I immediately fell in love with it and was like, oh, I need to have that. So it's basically just like etched out into the metal little butterflies. They almost look like they're flying, but when you put a candle in it, it's gonna illuminate and look really pretty. And I like the fact that it already is like pre-rusted, so it looks a little vintage, so had to pick that up. The next thing I got was just a really small oil diffuser. I really wanted to add one to my bathroom. I love oil diffusing. It has become like my new favorite thing. I kind of haven't even been into the whole candle trend as much anymore, and in burning candles, this is just so much easier, and I find it so much like just more fresh to me in your space. So I wanted to get one for my bathroom, and my bathroom has like dark colors, so I got this one. It's just dark gray with a little wood detailing, and you can control it, and it has a little timer on it, which my other ones don't have, so I found that this one is a little bit more convenient. I was super shocked when I found this rug there, just because with the detailing, it definitely looks like something that you would pay a lot of money for at like Anthropologie, and I just was like, wow, like I didn't expect Kohl's to have such like trendy pieces, but they definitely do, and they're so budget friendly. So this one is just like a mixture of different natural tones, and then it has little frills on the end, and I thought that this would be great pretty much anywhere in my space. It's nice and neutral, so I might add this to the kitchen or maybe even in the bathroom. I immediately fell in love with this little antler bowl. I thought it was so unique, and when I was younger, I used to love the way like Abercrombie & Fitch had like all their decorations. This just kind of reminded me of that, but I thought that this would be great on my new coffee table that I got. It really matches with the whole like kind of like rustic vibe. And this, of course, is not real, it's faux, so that's even better, but I thought this would be cute just adding a few little like decor other pieces in here. Maybe a candle and some flower, even like a small flower vase with the candle might look really cute. So I will show you guys how I styled that in an upcoming video. Moving on, I picked up two little pillows. This first one is definitely very similar to something I've had before. However, this is so much better quality than the one that I had before, so I had to pick it up. Just like the detailing on it is amazing, but this is just, again, like I said, much better quality than the one I had before. This is like a much thicker fabric, so it's not going to snag. Again, so shocked to find stuff like this at Kohl's. Then they had all of their like holiday 4th of July stuff out, and I wanted to get everything, but I was like, do I really need to get a ton of stuff? But I did fall in love with this pillow. To me, it just looked rustic again and vintage, and I think like these colors together with like the American flag look so good with my dark leather couch, so I wanted to pick that up to add to my pillow collection. The next thing is super random, but I actually think it is the best find that I found at Kohl's, and this is like a metal crate that fits perfectly into like your IKEA furniture or any of those square like storage organizers. This will pop out and turn into a drawer, and to me this just looks so unique. Like everyone I find when they have like those white drawer organizers, we're stuck to like the same set of 10 different bins, so everyone has them. I have not seen anyone have this before, and I just love the way it looks. Along with my oil diffuser, I have been loving my salt lamp, so I decided to pick up a little salt lamp nightlight. I didn't even know that they made these. This is like the first time I've actually seen them at a store. So again, it just has the on and off switch. Pretty simple and basic, but thought that this would be great to add to my bedroom. And the last thing that I got, super random, but I got some kitchen towels. I just loved the blue colors on this, and again, since it's summer coming up, I thought that I would spice things up and add a little bit more color to my kitchen so it's not so plain white. So that is everything I got in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out the Retail Me Not Genie. Again, that will be linked down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!